All right, so DGP Monday, looking at what we have as far as the bell that we're hearing ring in our ears. So what we have to find today, we have one proper noun, two common nouns, two adjectives, one adverb, one preposition, and one verb. Remember that I did put a bank on there for you guys to click on and find everything. What did you guys find for your proper noun? Mom, because we're talking about mom directly. We're talking to mom directly, I should say. If we're talking to mom directly, then it becomes a noun of direct address, which means, again, we are talking to her specifically. Okay. What did you guys find for your common nouns? Connie? Get out of me swamp. I'm not sure what that's a reference to. Oh, gotcha. Yes, both alligators and swamp are nouns. I'm glad that no one identified that as a pronoun this time. It is not a pronoun. It is just used as another figure of speech. Not figure of speech, part of speech. All right, so now we're on to adjectives. What do we got? Mercedes, you look like you want to say something, but you're not real confident in it. But let's give it a whirl anyway. There is not. Now, there can be an adjective. It's just not being used as one in this case. It is something else, though. There is an adverb. In this case, we're talking about over there. And when we talk about location with there, like here or where, we're talking about an adverb. Okay? I do like the effort there, though, Mercedes. So we found our adverb. What about our adjectives? What do we have? See what Jacob has to say. Jacob says any alligators. Does that make alligators more specific? You're saying yes. Any is an adjective because it's asking like how many, right? It's asking if there's any at all, not just are there alligators. We're being more specific and asking if there are any alligators. Jacob also said in. In is not an adjective, but any is. That is an adjective. That swamp. You can literally point to the swamp now. We know we're talking about that swamp over there. Okay. What did you say in was, Connie? In is our preposition. In is our preposition. And you'll find it in our list of prepositions. We're talking about where the alligators are, right? Where their relationship to everything else, or where they might be in this case. Okay, one left. We've got are. Are has to be our verb. What type of verb? You said a helping verb? Okay. If it's a helping verb, is there a second verb that it's helping? Remember always, and you're right, are is in our helping verbs. It's in our list of helping verbs. But we have to remember, what verb is it also helping? And in this case, there's only one verb, but it is in our list. You're saying an action verb? Yes. They're just existing? Is that what you're saying? They just existing is an action. So what's our tense on it? And I'm going to double check because I believe it might be a linking verb. That's what I have in my head as far as my notes are concerned, but let's double check. Connie, you're saying that it's an action verb and present. I guess it would have to be linked to something. Let's see. In this case, it is a linking verb. You are right on the tense. It is a linking verb. Linking verb present. Linking verb present. There is not a predicate adjective or predicate nominative because we don't know where the alligators are. We're just simply trying to find out if they are, if they actually exist. So we would know about their state if we were answering it. Okay? Questions about DGP Monday? Do any of